Hey guys, Scotty Disc Golf here, out here at Oak Grove Disc Golf Course at Hahamunga Watershed Park in Pasadena, California. This is the first permanent disc golf course ever put in the ground, so I thought it'd be a perfect place to unbox my Discmania Disc 2022 black mystery box. Just like with the red mystery box, what I'm going to do is I'm going to blindfold myself. I'm going to take out a disc, try and guess what type of disc it is, whether it be putter, mid, driver, and then try and guess the mold. Maybe I'll try and guess the plastic. Last time that didn't go so well. We'll see how that goes. I'm excited to see what the candy is. The candy in the red mystery box was fire. The black mystery box, I just hope it isn't black licorice. But let's get into it. This box is open because I did ask my wife to take out the CD1 and mix it in. So, you know, it'd be a full mystery instead of last time where I knew that the DD1 was last. But let's get into it. And let's see how long it takes me to put on this blindfold. Not too long. Sorry for the audio. Of course, I tried charging everything last night, and then for some reason I think I overcharged it or something. Okay. This is the code, collector's guide. Okay, first disc. Definitely a driver. Doesn't quite feel like a PD. Is this like a DD3? It doesn't, I'm not going to get this wrong like a Mentor. I'm going to go DD3. I mean, maybe it's the CD1. Maybe she just put it on top. Actually, I'm going to go CD1. No, Cloudbreaker. I was right. DD3. Okay. Let me just give you a close-up of this. It's going to keep turning. Okay, next up. This is a putter. I want to say P1, Flex 1, and I'm kind of cheating because I did know about this one, because I did get spoiled. I avoided all spoilers but this one. I think this is the P1. Yes. Oh no, Flex 1 P2. Wow, okay. Wow, I am not doing so hot right now. Let's see. Okay, that one was a DD3. Dang, this is tough. I want to say CD1 now, maybe? Okay, I know my DD3s, I just don't trust myself enough. Wow, okay. Okay, this is the CD1. Please be right on something. Yep. CD1, baby. Rush Boys for life. Love you, Simon. I don't know. This one feels... Is this just a PD? I'm probably going to be wrong. What is this? Oh, Rockstar. I didn't even think of actively. Is this just an instinct? This is oh, it's an essence. Alright, next up. I already kind of saw it, but it's a putter. Feels like a Logic, but I know it's not a Logic. Sensei. This is a mid. Is this a mid? It definitely feels like a mid. It feels kind of like a method? Not really? Origin, yes! Okay, Is this a PD at least? Please tell me this is a PD. Finally, I got PD right. Okay. Let's see what else we got. And the Crush Boys candy. Alright, so one more time. PD, Origin, Sensei, Essence, Rockstar, CD1, DD3, P2. This is actually really pretty clever for XL. Alright. Oh, we gotta try the candy on the screen. Let's try this bad boy out. Hopefully it's not licorice. Definitely not licorice. Kind of like a lime taste. Same candy as the red mystery box. Tastes delicious. There's the thing. Alright, that's going to be it for me today. Thanks guys for watching. This was a lot of fun. Can't wait for next year. Have a good day.